Great news for Canadian seniors. The Guaranteed Income Supplement, GIS, is getting a major boost, up to $570 extra in your pension payments. If you're a low-income senior, this could mean more money in your pocket every month. Want to know if you qualify? Stay tuned. For those who may not know, the Guaranteed Income Supplement, or GIS, is a monthly payment for low-income seniors who receive old age security. It's designed to help cover essential expenses like food, rent, and medical bills. GIS is an essential support program for seniors who rely on OAS but still struggle to meet their daily financial needs. The government introduced GIS to ensure that seniors have enough money to cover their basic expenses and maintain their well-being. With the rising cost of living, GIS has become more crucial than ever. Many seniors rely on this supplement to pay for housing, utilities, groceries, and medical costs. Why is this GIS increase so important? The cost of living in Canada has been rising steadily. From housing prices to groceries, many seniors are feeling the financial squeeze. In recent years, inflation has significantly impacted seniors living on a fixed income. Essentials like rent, groceries, and medications have become more expensive, making it harder for older Canadians to make ends meet. The government recognizes this challenge and has approved the GIS increase to help seniors cope with the rising costs. With an additional $570, seniors will have more flexibility in managing their expenses. Imagine a senior named Margaret, who lives in Toronto. She depends on her GIS payments to cover rent, food, and medical prescriptions. Even a small increase in her monthly income means she can buy fresh, healthy food and cover her heating bills without worrying. Stories like Margaret's highlight how crucial GIS is for Canada's aging population. So, what's changing? The federal government has approved an increase of up to $570 for eligible seniors. This boost is aimed at providing financial relief and ensuring that seniors can maintain a decent quality of life. But who qualifies, and when will you see this money? Let's break it down. The $570 increase is part of the government's effort to strengthen financial support for seniors. With economic pressures rising, this move is designed to provide direct relief. The exact amount you receive will depend on your income level and marital status. Single seniors with the lowest income will receive the full increase, while those with slightly higher incomes may receive a smaller boost. The government uses a sliding scale to determine the final amount based on an individual's reported income. To qualify for the GIS increase, you must be 65 years or older, receive old age security, OAS, have an income below the annual threshold set by the government, and file your taxes on time to ensure automatic enrollment. Eligibility for GIS is based on income. The government assesses income through tax returns, so it's crucial to file taxes every year, even if you have little to no income. The income thresholds change annually, so seniors should check the latest updates on the Government of Canada's website. One common question is, what if my income recently changed? If you had a significant drop in income due to retirement or other circumstances, you can request a reassessment to receive GIS benefits sooner. Most eligible seniors are automatically enrolled in GIS, but if you're not sure, you can apply online through the Government of Canada website or visit a Service Canada office. Make sure your income tax is filed to avoid any delays. Applying for GIS is simple. If you receive OAS and your income qualifies, you may already be enrolled automatically. However, if you are unsure, you can check your eligibility online or contact Service Canada. The application process includes gathering necessary documents, such as proof of income and identification, completing the GIS application form online or by mail, submitting the form to Service Canada and waiting for processing. Many seniors have questions about GIS. Here are some of the most common ones. Question: can I receive GIS if I'm still working part-time? A. Yes, but your total income must remain below the government's annual threshold. Any additional income may affect your GIS amount. Question: what happens if my spouse also receives GIS? A. If both you and your spouse qualify for GIS, your payments will be adjusted based on your combined income. Question: how often does GIS get reviewed? A. GIS payments are reviewed annually based on your income tax return. The increased payments will start rolling out with the next GIS payment cycle. If you receive your pension via direct deposit, keep an eye on your bank account. Seniors typically receive GIS payments on the same schedule as their OAS payments. Most payments are made via direct deposit on the last business day of each month. If you receive paper checks, allow a few extra days for mail processing. With this extra income, it's important to budget wisely. Here are some tips to make the most of your GIS payments. Prioritize essential expenses. Use your GIS payments to cover necessities like housing, food, and medical needs first. Save a portion for unexpected costs. Set aside a small amount each month for emergency expenses. Look for senior discounts. Many businesses offer discounts for seniors, helping you stretch your budget further. Consider community resources. Local food banks, senior centers, and government programs can provide additional support. Did you know there are more financial benefits available for seniors? Let's take a look. Canada Pension Plan, CPP, monthly payments based on contributions during your working years. Old Age Security, OAS, allowance, support for low-income seniors aged 60 to 64 whose spouse receives GIS. Provincial Senior Benefits, many provinces offer extra financial assistance for housing, healthcare, and transportation. This increase is great news for thousands of seniors across Canada. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on senior benefits and pensions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.